Welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all my subby for your support. If you're new here, welcome. Today I just have one item, this time just a small item I want to share with you. This item I really wanted for a long time, but I can't get it because either they don't have size or they don't have color, and not on the right hardware, the color of the hardware that I want. So I keep waiting. And a few days ago, when I browsing on the Hermès website, I saw it, the color that I want, the size is my size, and also the hardware that I really want. So I placed an order right away, and for the dough get started. And this is I order online. When you order online, it came like this with the white plastic bag outside. Just keep your item dry in case the bad weather. Either you live in like the place I live, like so winter have like snow or rain, and most of the time winter is the weather is like either wet snow or now it doesn't have snow yet, but last couple of days we got a lot of rain. So this is a good size. Good thing they put in the plastic so to keep your item safe from damage from the weather. And this is when they ship it, it's a whole I thank you for one of my subby have mentioned hope. It stands for Hermès of Paris. Thank you so much because in last video I asked, I don't know what hope stand for, and one of my subby had said that what stand for. And inside of the white plastic bags always have a white box, and when you open the white box, on the top of the box is always have the Hermès building picture on it, and inside a white box is the orange box. It's like 3 layers to keep your item. And as you know, I always love the orange box. Hermès orange box is so pretty. I love it. I use for everything. And let's open it. And it comes with the ribbon. And I know when you get the item from the store, we got the Hermès 2020, like the ribbon is different, but when you order online it's the same. There are no 2022, sorry, 2022, not 2020. Something wrong with my mind today. And it's like that, there are no 2022 on it. And this is the receipt. It came in the envelope pocket. In the front with the Hermès logo. In the back is the return policy. And this the receipt of the item. And let's put this on the side. And let's open it. Here we go. You know, when you, like as I mentioned in all my video, when I unbox the small leather good from Hermès, I never see any dust bag with the small leather good. Like if you order, consider small leather good, they never have the dust bag. I don't know, but when you order from like beside they consider like small leather good, they come with the dust bag. And here we go. And I believe when you get this one, and this is the belt, Mini Constance belt. I got this one in the tube color, and this is reversible, and this belt called Mini Constance belt, mini reversible leather strap, 24 nm with a Mini Constance buckle, and this is in absent leather. The white side is in absent, and the two color in scabskin. And this is the buckle. This is a Mini Constance. I get this in rose gold because I love rose gold. This is very shiny. Okay, I will put the sticker back because I'm not using it right now, so I will put it back later to keep it not scratched. And in the back of the buckle, you can see Hermès Paris made in France in gray in there. And on the strap, on the belt, this is size 75. My clothes size is size 2, and I got this one in size 75. And on the belt, on the reverse color side, in the white side is have Hermès Paris in box right here, and it's hard to see, and the stamp is right here. And I believe when you got the belt, get the belt from the store, the box for the belt is different. I think they have the circle one. You can put the belt, the strap, the belt in there, and they have the thing to put the buckle. So and this is how. Is that how you do it? And that's how you do it, and you put it in here, right? Is that correct? Yep. And let's see how you put it and you just slide the buckle in and put it in like that, and you slide the belt inside, and you just push it down like that, and you keep the it's really very I love this belt. I got last time in the in black, and another the reverse side is in gold. I love it. It's very classic, and I love so much, so that's why I really want to get this color for summer. So that I do not use it. I will not use right now because now is winter, so I will not use the white color, but I will use the taupe color side. So that is this is the 24 nanometer belt, and because I'm kind of petite size, so I don't want the thick belt, so I just want this is perfect size. And I have Louis Vuitton, this I forgot the name of this this belt, but I got this 2 years ago from Louis Vuitton, and you can see this is the same mechanism. You just slide in and push it down like Hermès. And this is how also is on the reverse side, is reverse as Louis Vuitton and the black also. And so this is same size as 75. So you can see this is you can see the thickness is different. Hermès is a little bit wider than the Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton is really cute. It's not really thin, but not really thick one. It's a little bit smaller than like thinner than Hermès. Hermès kind of a little bit wider, but this one you can use both sides. I did something. Okay, I put the up backwards, so I need to fix this one, and so I need to, is it this one? Yeah. Yep. I have to put this one in. Yep. Yep, I got the right one. Yep. Okay. Let me put this. The Louis Vuitton you can use on both sides because it's reversible, but most of the time I use the black side instead the monogram side because I don't like the logo much. So I just use the black one. So it's very cute and classic. And this one I can you can use both sides also. And this, when you order it, it come with the buckle and the belt, but on the receipt it shows separately the buckle and the belt is separately, but they on the website they charge is the same size, is a one price for both, and I believe in store is the same. And when they put the separate, they say the buckle is the price for $280 and the belt is $425. The total is $705 plus tax. And depend on where you live, it will add it up for the tax. And the Louis Vuitton, I don't remember the price, but I got like 2 years ago. So and now the price go up, and I believe this one is still available. If you check with your SA, if you want to get it, it's very cute. This is in the gold hardware, and I got it the same size. And in the reversible side is the Louis Vuitton canvas. Outside is the scalpskin leather in black, and I believe it's the only one. There are no different colors, only black. But Hermès, this one Hermès Mini Constance, you can pick any color you want. And I'm not most of the time I got belt is in like neutral color, so I can easy to wear with my clothes. Okay, most of my clothes is in blue or black or white or beige. I don't wear much about color, so this will go perfect with my clothes. And I think that's it for today. As I mentioned, this video is this really small item, nothing big. I keep waiting for my bag. Hopefully my SA will call me and offer me a bag that I want. I really want a Constance 24 or 18 if I can get both of it. Like that is on my wish list for Constance 24 and Constance 18, and I hope as I can get it this year or next year. That's all I have for today, and again, thank you for your support. If you don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, so you will get notified when I have a new video, so you don't miss it. And enjoy your weekend, and you have a wonderful day. I hope I can see you in next video. Bye bye.